Hello, this is Dennis McDonald with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can get us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com. This is a remake of a wooden wall telephone, and it's made by Crosley. This telephone also has speakerphone. Anyway, this is the final video of this telephone, the final checkout after it's been repaired. That's the speakerphone. We take a look at the analyzer. We'll dial all the numbers. Pound, star, and I want to get a shot of the voice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. The speakerphones on these telephones work, but they don't work that great. So, anyway, that's the check out of the speakerphone. Let's go ahead and ring the phone. We'll give it one more ring. And then we want to show you the modulation, so I want to dial a number. If you look at the red light, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hello, hello. You can see that that's got 100% modulation. So we're right on with this telephone where we want to be. And this telephone, when it came in, was sent in by a company who works on telephones and sells telephones and is in the telephone business basically. And the complaint on this telephone was that when you'd plug it into the line, it would hold the line open and short the line. And when we plugged it in, we found that it shorted the line, and also it would not dial out. When you'd go to press a key, when you press one of the numbers, it would sound like it wanted to dial, but it just wouldn't create the tone. And we found a transistor that took care of the hook switch problem, and that allowed the phone not to short any longer. And then we found another transistor that caused the problem of dialing and creating the tone, letting the tone go through. So it had two transistors that were bad. And when we're in these telephones working on them, we always resolder the main PC board and all the connections and clean the connections, because you never know, some of that solder can be bad and some of the connections can be bad, so we go through all that. So it takes a little bit of time. And this is a little more technical telephone than some of them. This one's a speakerphone, so it has a little more main PC board to it than some of the normal telephones. And like I said, the microphone for the speakerphone is right here in this little keyhole. But the speakerphones on these work, but they're not the greatest. They were more or less intended to use them as a regular telephone, and the speakerphone option was more of a selling point. The speaker is located over here on this side, and they got holes here so you can hear the sound. But anyway, this is the final checkout on the telephone. We're going to ring it one more time and answer it. So let's do that. And then we want to break dial tone by dialing a number. pound and star 262. Hang up. You'll be able to see that on the analyzer. Off hook, on hook, off hook, on hook. Speakerphone, hold. There's a little red indicator light here, an LED, indicates that this phone is on hold. You don't press hold again to get it off hold, you press speakerphone again to get it off hold. So hold, speakerphone again. Hold, speakerphone again. Then redial. And then we'll just hang the phone up. So this is the final video on this wooden wall remake telephone from Crosley. And now we will send it back to the company who sent it to us so they can get it to their customer. And the phone is taken care of and repaired. We hope you watched the first video on this so that you could see the transistors and that were bad in it. But thank you for watching the video. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can get us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.